You made me insecure, told me I wasn't good enough, but who are you to judge when you're a diamond in the rough?
I'm sure you got some things you'd like to change about yourself, but when it comes to me, I wouldn't want to be anybody else. Na 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 na.
Such a funny thing, how nothing's funny when it's you. You tell them what you mean, but they keep whining out the truth.
It's like a work of art that never gets to see the light, keeps you beneath the stars, won't let you touch the sky. You've got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's heard it? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? You can take everything I have. You can break